So, let's talk about something most drivers hate but can't avoid: car repair bills. They seem to pop up out of nowhere and always at the worst time. But here's the truth: a lot of those costly repairs, they're completely preventable. Let's start with a common myth: if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, no. That mindset is exactly what drains your wallet. Cars give subtle warnings before breaking down: odd noises, warning lights, a strange smell. Ignoring these signs doesn't save money, it delays the pain and multiplies the cost. A $20 fix today can easily become a $600 headache tomorrow. Next up, skipping oil changes won't hurt. Modern engines are built better. Wrong. Modern engines are more precise and sensitive. Old, dirty oil turns into sludge and grinds your engine from the inside. Stick to the schedule. Your engine's life literally depends on it. Here's another myth: tires just need air when they look flat. Nope. Underinflated tires wear unevenly, affect alignment, reduce fuel economy, and put stress on your suspension. Use a pressure gauge, not your eyes. It takes 2 minutes and saves hundreds in tire and suspension damage. Ever heard this one? Brake pads last forever if you drive carefully. Not true. Pads wear over time, no matter how careful you are. If you wait until they grind or squeal, you've already damaged the rotors, and now you're looking at a much bigger bill. One that drives me nuts: transmission fluid never needs changing. Some manufacturers do say it's lifetime fluid, but ask any mechanic, and they'll tell you that lifetime might end sooner than you think. Replacing burnt or dirty fluid can prevent a multi-thousand-dollar repair. And lastly, you can fix it later. Later always costs more. That small leak, that blinking light, that rough start, it all adds up. Being proactive isn't just smart, it's the cheapest way to own a car. At the end of the day, avoiding repair costs isn't about luck, it's about smart habits. Check your fluids, don't ignore warning signs, get routine maintenance, and stop believing in car myths. So tell me, what's the most expensive car repair you ever had to pay for? And could it have been avoided? Let's help each other out in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so your wallet doesn't suffer the next time your car acts up.